Hello, my name is Dr. AJ Scarlato, and this channel is dedicated to giving financial advice to my son, AJ. So AJ, today is lesson number 7, and the headliner here is do not buy a new car. And there's a simple reason for that. Yes, the new car is fun, it's shiny, especially at your age when you're about to get to that age of getting your driver's license permit, moving from 14 to 15, 15 to 16. And here's why. So currently, the average cost of a car in North America is $51,000. That's the average. So there's above that and below that. But if you take that out and look at the monthly payment is about $750 per month. When you add insurance and car maintenance and things of that nature, you could be well up over $1,000. But let's just say for fun, it's $800 a month. Take that $800 a month and invest it over the same 5 to 7 period time that you would be doing anyway, and the amounts are astronomical. So in here, I'm going to put the fact of what a $50,000 car cost, a $40,000, a $30,000, and a $20,000 car cost. Now, that's not saying don't buy a car at all. That is saying buy a used car if you can, or pay cash for it. So again, number one piece, do not buy a new car. It seems good. It makes sense when you're out there driving it, but the amount of money that you dump into the car is incredibly astronomical. So do not do that. And here is why when you take a look at the summary. So I hope that helps. I hope that makes sense. If others are liking this and this is good for your children as well, please feel free to share it and send it. And until next time, we'll see you. Bye-bye.